Okay, these are birds in our yard. It's like they're taking over our yard, and I don't know why. Look at all those birds. What are they doing? And they in the neighbor's yard over there on the other side of my car. That's crazy. What are they doing? Oh my gosh. And they're in the other neighbor's yard. You can't see it, but the other house, you can't see it, but they're to the left over there. What are they doing? They whole families. They just call their mama, their daddy, their brother, or sister. They eating something, but I don't know what it is.